even when I act strong. I've been holding it together for way too long. Oh, treat me gently. You don't know my fight. I've been carrying this weight every day, every night. Yeah. Ladies need love too, not just strength all the time. Don't confuse independence with I'm always fine. And even the men, they got weight on their chest. Sometimes they need peace, they just need to rest. We all got battles we don't always show. A little kindness goes further